In this video, I'll show you how to install the Ultimate Trainer for Resident Evil Requiem. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the REFramework and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this input8.tll inside of the game folder. Once you're done, launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this configuration. Menu key, select the menu key and set your key you like to open this REFramework. I set it to 1. Whenever you want to open this REFramework, press the 1 key. And now just close stuff here and exit the game. Now we will see the REFramework folder in the game. Go back and open this Ultimate Trainer. Open this REFramework auto run. Drag and drop this LUA file inside. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, expand this script generated UI. Make this little bit big. Expand this trainer and make this big as possible. You can able to see the trainer under here. Scroll down and see the options to enable. You can check mark and use this trainer. Infinite health, no reload. Check mark the things you like to use and then press the 1 key to close this trainer. The last and final thing to show you guys the trainer is working. I'm gonna increase this game speed override. Check mark this option and you can able to see the game speed has increased 10 times faster, as you can see. Just close the trainer and you can move 10 times faster. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.